Shroud has very few bolts to it.
Yeah, but if it lost a bolt, hey, that might be it. No, that's not it. It feels solid.
That was the pulley going in and out?
Yeah, I thought it was.
Well, here's your pulley up here that moves the belt.
That one. It's a pulley for sure.
The pulley you were just taking a picture of going in and out was the bottom one. The one you were photographing.
No, I thought it was the one up front.
It is.
No, the one on this fan shroud.
No. The fan.
That is actually very pretty. What's the bus up here? Looks like it's setting up over here. They threw a surprise birthday party for me in the evening, which was awesome. I appreciate that, and thank you everyone who was involved in it. It was fun and very enjoyable. I'm just trying to see if I can catch the lights in the sky.
Yeah, right?
Kind of. I can't tell. Ring ring, I got a phone call. I got a phone call from my friend. He called me at 6 a.m. because he couldn't get a hold of our other friend. And so he says, hey, I'm down at the, what was it? It was the way station as you're coming in the state, because where he was camped at, there's right on the border of Ehrenberg. And he's like, hey, my belt fell off. I got a spare belt, but I just need someone young and spry, one of you two, to put it on for me. So I told him that, yeah, we can come down and put it up, but it's going to take a while because we haven't left yet. I didn't even know he was gone already. He left, and his belt popped, and he thought it was all that the belt popped. But I was like, well, while you're there, since you already had engine problems and pulley problems, once you pop the hood, if you haven't popped the hood already, he's like, did you pop the hood? And he's like, no, I haven't. The belt was hanging out, so I just knew it was a belt. It's alright, well, while you're there, because it's going to take us a while to go out, get out there to you, and it's better to know before you get out there, check the pulleys, make sure they're all loose, because we already know that he's having a pulley problem on there. And he pops it up, and he's like, my fan's not there. It's like, your fan's not there? Is the pulley there? No, the pulley's not there. It's like, crap. I suspected that he lost bolts on the pulley, but I couldn't see any pulleys and I couldn't see it. He was hoping to make it to his mechanic to get it repaired easier, and he can also bug the mechanic to check on his car that he's working on, which he kind of wanted to bug him for that. So anyhow, I was like, well, then it's probably going to be at least a water pump. So me and my other friend, Jason, I don't know if he wants to be mentioned in my videos or not, but I am. And he's Dreamweaver RV, if you want to go check him out, if you all haven't checked him out. But me and Jason hopped in his little car and went over to Blythe, to the auto store, and bought the water pump. Yeah, they didn't come with they didn't have the pulley without the water pump, and it's a press on fitting. So anyhow, we got that, and I told Jason, and of course Jason's a little upset because him and his wife were planning on going to Mexico for the day with some other friends. So anyhow, he canceled that because he'd rather have our friends be safe and help them out whenever they can. So he said he's gonna finish getting some stuff ready. I told him I'd go ahead and go out there and start in on the project, because being stuck on the side of the road is not fun for any of us. And when we're older, the one that's broke down was an older friend, and when we're older and we know how to do stuff but we're not able to, I would much rather have a friend come help me and I just reimburse them or pay them back, or however we work it out. But I'd much rather have a friend come help me out than pay someone to tow me in and take it. You know, it's just easier to have a friend come help you if they can and if you're able to. So I got out to his where he's at, and we had to go through the highway check station for the weigh station, and I don't like going through it because, for whatever reason, probably because I used to have a commercial license, and it usually meant bad things are not, good. So you never know if you're going to have it. But they was nice. They already came and checked on him, make sure he was okay, and they said, yeah, you can do whatever work you need to do here. So by the time I got there, he's already talked to him, and they said, yeah, do whatever. And I was like, okay, that's cool. But they got a water pump, and they're not cheap anymore, and a little thing to drain the water into, because at the time we just thought the water pump was the only thing that was going on, and maybe a fan. So I took a photo and I started tearing into his motor, and there are some photos here that you can actually see a lot more in the following clips of what has actually happened. And let's just go to that. I'm sure he did. What? Oh, it's still there. Damn. Okay. Alright. Here's our cost. Here's our rent for traveling. It involves a water pump, a radiator, a messed up radiator. It is not free. Do not think it's free. It's something.
It's costing me a fortune.
Make a quick video here. You ever have that friend that tells you there's something going wrong with your vehicle and you're like, nah, it's fine, I can make it last a little longer? Well, this is what happens. We got the water pump on and the new pulley, but because we tried to push it off a little longer, you see we have holes in the radiator. This is why you don't push off anything that's going on with these things. This one, whenever the bearing fries on it, it's a press fit bearing on there, but when the bearing fries on it, locks up, this will keep turning, and what it'll do, it'll make the shaft heat up and it'll come off. And so your fan blade that we can straighten into your radiator, and then you're just kind of screwed, stuck on the side of the road. Having a friend help you out because you can't do it. But, not that I'm here to humiliate him, because I'm not. Just listen, and it'll be fine. And it's not a big deal. We'll help our friends out. That's what we're here for. To sit on the side of the road and help our friends out. Alright. Care, listen to your friends. Sometimes your car won't give you as long as as you think you have. Take care.